The Blue Zone's diet, longevity secrets from around the world. Have you ever wondered why some people live well into their 90s, even past 100, while staying healthy and active? The answer lies in what's known as the Blue Zones, 5 unique regions around the world where people consistently live longer and healthier lives. These areas include Okinawa, Japan, Sardinia, Italy, Nicoya, Costa Rica, Icaria, Greece, and Loma Linda, California. Researchers discovered that their secret isn't just luck, it's their diet and lifestyle. So, what do they eat? Mostly plant-based foods, vegetables, fruits, legumes, and whole grains make up most of their meals. Minimal meat, they enjoy small portions of fish or meat occasionally, not daily. Healthy fats, olive oil, nuts, and seeds are key sources of good fats. Simple meals, no ultra-processed foods, just real, home-cooked dishes. Moderation, they eat until they're about 80% full, a principle known as hara-hachibu in Okinawa. Community and routine, meals are shared with family and friends, and food is enjoyed slowly. The result? People in these regions have lower rates of heart disease, diabetes, and obesity, and often live vibrant lives well past 100. Stay tuned for more health and wellness insights, and don't forget to follow us for more longevity-inspired ideas from around the world.